SCC calls for a complete rethinking on our Catholic Christian living. It's a doing church. It demands results. Based on our Word of God, based on our reading and reflection, we need to get involved with acts of mercy, acts of service. We need to put into practice what we read and reflect. That is why I call it, we are a doing church. This is the only way to witness ourselves as true Christians. There are faithful, especially clergy and religious, who are unwilling to take up this change. I feel this is one of the main reasons for the SCC's slow growth.
Knowing what SCC is, why it is, how to start and sustain, what do we achieve, these are the beginning. Yes, getting trained is the beginning. If we want to achieve the benefit of SCC, we need to get trained into various aspects of the SCC, especially the leaders and animators. There are training programs designed in various aspects of SCC. Lay people, religious, priests and bishops should be trained. Only then we will be able to understand and accept SCC as the new way of being the church.
Khasi being the common language in Shillong, Jawai and Nong Stoim dioceses, these dioceses took the lead and succeeded in forming and implementing SCC units in various parishes.
खेती, झलकिया खेती, कोचू खेती, सब खेती